Welcome guys to another little video. Now this video isn't really a tutorial, but it is made and designed so that you guys can have some tools, because one of my favorite things when it comes to Unity or school or anything is to make tools. I hate doing repeat stuff, okay? And searching on the internet's great and everything, but if you're like me and you just want a dictionary that you can just hurry up and copy and paste in there, or you have some class in another project that you really like, well, I've got this little tool here where I can go into my weapon classes for some of my game and other things, but it fills it in, and we have text, and oh, I messed up on a script and this is my old one. I can just come in here, copy and paste, Control C, Control V, and boom. I mean, I can't change it in my program itself. It won't let me, but I can enable it where I can change it later on if I want. But this is like kind of like pull up, and there you go. This is broken, fix this junk, you know, and things like that. This is not made in Unity. This is actually a Windows program that you can basically install in your own game right now. I mean, not install in your own game right now, but just straight install into your own system as a uh, exe. It's made that way. So to show you what I mean, I will go up to, let's say, my settings. And let's see if I can find my programs and stuff real quick. Still getting used to that whole Windows 10 thing, but you know how it is. Where is my programs? Okay, right click, programs, programs. Where's my programs? Programs and features. Okay, so let's get our window to show up. Programs and features. Boom. And as you can see all the way down here, it's a executable. It's named actually after me because I made it and everything. I thought I should get that kind of thing, and just how it is. You shouldn't have to mess with naming conventions real early anyway. So yeah, that's what I've been working at and things is a program, because it's kind of boring to have just pretty much nothing. Well, I don't have pretty much nothing, but the whole concept of I didn't like that I had certain scripts that I always looked at, and then I would go back and forth, back and forth. I could put as many buttons as I want across here, weapon classes, dictionary, empty classes, stuff that I reference a lot. I believe I'm going to use in the tool, like all these collections I usually use. I'll just put little reminder notes, things like that in them, and you know, put a lot of comments for certain things. Like sometimes I don't like that I have so many comments in a script. It just becomes a mess to me. Or maybe I want extra notes, but I don't want them in my script itself. I can always put it on my program and explain a lot of other things in very, very big detail and not have it in my game program itself. Because let's say for you guys, I know what Atom.play is right here. This function right here, and then I throw magnitude in there for a time dilation. You know, I know about it and everything else, and I've seen, and controller is grounded equals false. I mean, it's pretty simple, but a lot of people that look at my code probably wouldn't know what controller dot is grounded means. So I would add a lot of comments into the program itself, but you know, it may become too much problem to have it in the game file itself. Basically, I'm using this as a reference class and allowing changes, and I can just and change it around, things like that. But I just wanted to drop a video and see what you guys think. If you guys would like me to share something like this with you, as in like tool wise to help you develop some stuff on Unity, or would you like more videos on other types of material, you know, just scripting and stuff? Because I'd much rather make a tool for a lot of stuff than script actually in a game sometimes. You know, because the game stuff is great and all, but sometimes you need something for other purposes. Like, I can enable this program right here to be a little text document, okay, where I can sit there and type in stuff, and there you are. You know, it's not that hard, you know, and view little images, things like that. But yeah, I'm a tool fan. When I go to school and everything else, I have like this big old library of stuff for myself, because I hate the concept of you being able to remember everything is just silly to me. Like, some people don't know System.io is used for a filing system, and then they're looking for path directories and how to eliminate certain string parts in their path. They just want the file name itself without the extension, and I think a lot of people forget how to do it. So why not put this in our little filing system here to go, hey, the path class, do this to make it, you know, work right. You know, like, oh, I'm going to go up to my weapon test, and I forgot that I had this stuff. And oh, this is the function that I'm missing. Okay. And then go on. But yeah, let me know in the comments and stuff like that, because I'm probably going to have other stuff in this game, this file, not just Unity stuff, but probably a CPU temp, processor, RAM, stuff like that. There's going to be all kinds of stuff, because I don't like the programs out there, so I'm just going to make my own. But thank you guys, and take care, and have a nice Friday, because it is Friday for me. If it's not Friday, then it'll be cool. It'll be alright. You'll live till Friday. But take care, guys, and peace out.